My name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 things to make in autumn. 1. You can make a garland like this one. My garland has leaves, pumpkin, mushroom, acorn, and you can put so many things on your garland and you can use it to decorate your home. You can make pumpkins. These are very nice and easy to make, and you can make them for fun, or you can make them with your kids or your family. These are very nice, so you should make them in autumn. You can use these as decorations in your house. If you have children, they can use them as toys. 3. Pillow autumn leaves. These are so easy to make, so you can make them in autumn and you can use them to decorate your chairs, your bed, or your kitchen, or anywhere else. These are very nice. If you have kids, they can play with these. You can also give someone as a gift. 4. Autumn leaves coasters. They are so beautiful. So you can use this in your house to put on your table like this. Or you can gift someone. 5. Pumpkin basket. This is so nice and so beautiful, very easy to make. I used felt fabric to make this. This is so nice. Your kids can use this to put candy. Or you can just use it in your house and you put some candy in here and visitors can take candy from here. Links on how to make all these are in the description box below. Maita thank you for watching. Meet your creator. Arigato. Bye.